Hello?
Gay.
What? Really, Mace?
And gay.
Who's gay? Hello?
Hear you now?
What?
Can you hear me now?
Kind of.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, perfect.
7 days.
7 days? Oh my god, I'm gonna die next Monday?
Yes. No, wait, Monday? That would be 7 business days. This is 7 days starting now.
So 7 days to this very hour? My watch broke. How am I gonna know the exact hour?
Forget hours. This day, 7 days from now.
But there's a holiday coming up. Do you count the holiday as a day?
Well, that depends. What holiday?
Martin Luther King Day?
Then no.
Why not? Everybody at work is taking it off.
Jesus Christ, lady, I'm giving you 7 friggin' days. I can come over there now and kill the shit out of you if you'd rather have that.
Safety pin to his backpack. His backpack is all that he knows. Shot down by strangers whose glances can cripple the heart and devour the soul. All alone he turns to stone while holding his breath after death. Terrified of what's inside, to save his life he cries like a word from a bird. Cries like a word from a bird. Out of his mind, the weight pushes him, whispering, must have been out of his mind. Middays, illusions of pushing this out of his head, maybe out of his mind. Pushes him, whispering, must have been out of his mind. All alone he turns to stone while holding his breath after death. Terrified of what's inside, to save his life he cries like a word from a bird. He's holding his breath after death. Hey!